model, 69-plate Vauxhall Combo crew cab timing chain issue needs repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 128686. MOT, the 19th of May 2026. Engine, 1499 cc DV5RD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine valves are timing belt, chain has slipped. And it is popping from the intake whilst cranking timing has jumped, easy repair. If you know what you're doing, no VAT to pay, absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has